Ever wonder what separates the top 1% of traders from everyone else? It's not some secret indicator or a magic formula. It's one simple yet incredibly powerful trait. I'm putting it to the test to see if it's truly the key to unlocking trading success. Join me on this journey. So, what is this magic ingredient? It's discipline. You hear it all the time, but what does it actually mean in the trading world? Simply put, it's the ability to follow your trading plan, control your emotions, and make choices based on logic, not gut feelings. It's about consistency. Think of it like a pilot following a flight plan. They don't just eyeball the landing because they feel like it. They follow precise procedures. That's the consistency that leads to long-term success in the markets. Without discipline, traders crash and burn. The biggest enemy? Your own emotions. Fear and greed are like puppet masters, pulling your strings and making you abandon your carefully crafted plan. Picture this. The market dips slightly, fear kicks in, and you panic sell, only to watch it bounce right back up without you. Or you see a stock soaring, greed takes over, and you jump in at the peak without any real strategy, hoping for a miracle. These emotional roller coasters rarely have a happy ending. Then there's the curse of impulsive decisions. When the market is buzzing with excitement, it's so easy to get swept up in the moment. You start making trades on a whim, without thinking them through. This often leads to overtrading, taking on way too much risk, or entering positions that don't fit your goals at all. The result? A string of losses that could have been easily avoided with a little more patience and a measured approach. A lack of discipline also destroys your risk management. When you're not sticking to your rules, you might find yourself betting the farm on a single risky trade. This can wipe out your account in the blink of an eye. A disciplined trader, however, has clear rules for how much they're willing to risk on any given trade. They protect their capital, which is the #1 rule to stay in the game long enough to win. Your trading performance also becomes erratic. One day you're on top of the world, the next you're making rookie mistakes. This wild inconsistency makes it impossible to figure out if your strategy is actually working or if you just got lucky. A disciplined approach smooths out those peaks and valleys. So, how do you build this discipline? It starts with setting crystal clear rules. Define your entry and exit points, decide on your position size, and always use a stop loss. The hard part isn't creating the rules. It's sticking to them when the pressure is on. Your trading plan is your roadmap, and discipline is the fuel that keeps you on the right path. Just as important is managing your emotions. Recognize when fear, greed, or hope are creeping in. Techniques like taking a short break, meditating, or even just stepping away from the screen can help you regain control and make rational decisions that align with your plan. Discipline also means committing to continuous learning. It is about reviewing your trades, both the wins and the losses, to understand what you did right and where you went wrong. You have to be humble enough to admit your mistakes and adapt your strategy. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. The market changes and you have to change with it. And sometimes, discipline means sticking to your plan even when it feels like it isn't working. It's tempting to jump ship at the first sign of a drawdown or chase the next shiny object. But a truly disciplined trader trusts their process and has the patience to let their strategy play out over the long term. Let's imagine two traders, Alex and Ben. Both start with the exact same amount of money. Alex is our disciplined trader. He has a solid plan, manages his risk, and stays calm under pressure. Ben, on the other hand, is an emotional roller coaster. He chases hot tips, lets his losses run, and cuts his winners short. Fast forward a year. Alex's account shows steady, consistent growth. Ben's account? It's been a wild ride of massive ups and downs, and ultimately, he's left with far less than he started with. This story perfectly illustrates the power of discipline. The difference between Alex and Ben wasn't their strategy. It was their mindset. Alex's disciplined approach created a foundation for sustainable success, while Ben's lack of it led to his downfall. Discipline isn't just an optional extra. It is an absolute must-have for any serious trader. It is what empowers you to stay focused on your long-term goals and navigate the markets with confidence. To sum it all up, discipline is the bedrock of profitable trading. It's the force that enables you to execute your plan, keep your emotions out of the driver's seat, and make smart, calculated decisions. Without it, you're essentially gambling, and the house usually wins. Now I'd love to hear from you. What has your experience with trading discipline been like? Share your stories, both the wins and the lessons learned, in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on becoming a better trader. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.